Alright, so this is a suggestion via a donation. The name of the song is Righteous and Ratchet by the artist Screwface John and Easy Mill. Listen, if you are new here, please like and subscribe. The more that you like this content, the more that I know that you, specifically, would like to see more of this specific type of content, okay? Let's go ahead and just jump into this immediately.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to
Bro, Screwface is like legitimately always like the most animated person you will ever experience on camera. Literally. Let's go. So do we have any lyrics floating around anywhere?
Hello?
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Any lyrics? Any lyrics? Let's get
I
it.
came from the sand, that's my holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band, like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then the short came in righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that chicken, none of that chat. We give it right.
Yeah, production is absolutely crazy, bro. You know, Screwface comes in super energetic. Not a single complaint here, right? Let's go.
Off, then the short came in righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that chicken, none of that chat. We give it right to the rest. Talking to bitch, be cat. We give it right.
We throwing gang sounds up now?
Only fam, like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then the short came in righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that chicken, none of that chat. We give it right.
Easy Mill, all right? Do better, sir, all right? Let's go.
Talking to bitch, be cat. We give it right to the rest. Hey, hey, we give it right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people to start. We give it right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from all years until I'm fucking I'm winning. I'm land full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch cause I'm lyrically imitating. I'm killing your bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me your addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up, we block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car.
Send me your address, something. He's coming, bro. He's gonna pull up. Oh, listen. Not a single complaint. I can't find any lyrics, so it's kind of hard to, understand. You know what I'm saying? When they started getting to the super fast pace. But overall, dude, no complaints at all. Easy Mill comes in, crazy cadence delivery. Screwface is matching. This is definitely equally matched, and generally, we don't encounter Easy Mill in a song where both parties are actually equally matched, right? I think he did a song with somebody named Michael Bars, I think, something like that. And that was another really good collaboration. So it seems as if, bro, his collaborations are getting a lot stronger nowadays. All right, let's get it.
Run the extra driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
None of that chat. We give it right to the rest. See bitch be talking to bitch be cat. We give it right to the rest. Hey, hey, we give it right to the rest. I come from the bottom with people to start. We give it right to the rest. Hey,
should have been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down. Little souls. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
so ready and go, and I said it before. They snakes like Medusa, let's set in stone. Not just the things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with it.
Hey, bro, this tunnel that they're in looks extremely short. I don't know, maybe if it's just like the angle or the wide angle they shot it at, but it looks like Screwface is about to hit his head, bro. Every time he does this, I think he's about to hit his head, but of course he's not going to do that on camera. He may have done that in real life, potentially, but I just don't think he actually did it on camera. right? Let's go.
Send me they pros.
Like a monster, eating lobster with pasta.
You see what I'm saying,
You
right?
don't need plenty options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my pop.
Body on my body, bodyguard Kevin Costner. All right.
Need plenty options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my pop.
School that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells to they blanca. We lots and Boeings to set up tu casa. So get to home and to set up your store.
All of that, none of that chat. We keep it right to the rest. Bitches be talking, no bitch be capping. We keep it right to the rest. Hey, hey, we keep it right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people that stop. We keep it right to the rest.
Bro, this is like H-Bomb level of collaboration, bro. Listen, they sound amazing together. This should be a ongoing duo, without a doubt, bro. All right. Yeah, the song is absolutely fire, completely. No complaints. Let's get it. Yeah, bro. Screwface is coming up with some like crazy collaborations lately, bro. Right? No doubt. All right, now listen. Now let me know in the comments next one of these from them I should be listening to, and I'll get to it as soon as I possibly can. All right, and listen, dudes, you guys all have an amazing day and enjoy it thoroughly.